Alright guys, welcome back. I've got another fun tool review for you today. And this attaches to a standard grinder. It's a 12-inch chainsaw attachment for a grinder. Let's check it out. It's a bunch of bits and pieces, but there is a little assembly required. So let's look at this assembly, because we've got instructions this time. Okay, so there we go. Next is the grinder. We'll put this back. I'm gonna bring you in close up. Okay, so you guys can see at this awesome grinder they sent me up close and personal. Check this bad boy out. There's your grinder. There's your grinder, guys. Okay guys, there you have it. This grinder. Welcome to the Philippines. It gets real here. So either someone working for the tool company stole the grinder and put rocks in there to make it feel like rocks and rice bags in there to make it feel like there was a product in there, or someone in the shipping company on the way stole it and then repackaged it. Don't know. I'm working on getting my money back, and in the meantime, I guess we're not reviewing this today. Alrighty, I'll catch you on the next video.
Look, wait, no, look. What is that? A rock. Why is a rock a rock? Shit. They delivered you a rock. What is this? Wow, pause. They deliver you the grinder, they deliver you a rock. What is a rock? What is grinder?
So I did get my money back, and this whole thing delays me a couple weeks in shipping, but the seller offered me a 50-cent coupon if I would change my review from 1 stars to 5 stars. And I said, I don't do that for rocks. But you can go ahead and hit the subscribe button for free.